stands for the graphical. Okay, we are creating the graphical chart. So as I'll put at class, again I am using the same data set. V bar. I want to create the vertical bar only. So what is our column? Chart column also required only. Here only one column is enough. V bar and that column. Don't use two columns in the V bar statement. At a time we can use only single column. Next one is a run. Later we have to use quit. Quit is a mandatory. We have to use the quit statement after run statement. Don't forget this one. When I am submitting this one, we can see, we can create the separate window that is called a graphical window. Okay, and other than the output window, we can see the separate window. That window is called graphical window. So what is the member type for graphs? Member type is a catalog. Okay, member type is a catalog here. This is not data. When I am submitting this one, you can see here one is a female, other one is a male is there. You can see this one. One is a female category, other one is a male category. You can see by default, you can see the frequency. When we executed proc gchart procedure, by default we can display the frequency. What is mean by frequency? Frequency is nothing but total number of observation count. So you can see as per this chart, you can see female how many members are there, male how many members are there. Means female you can see the exactly 9 members are there. Male you can see the exactly 10 members are there. Which means by default when we execute a proc gchart procedure, by default we can see the frequency. Frequency is nothing but total number of observation count. This is totally two groups are there. That's the reason we are printed two bars only. One is a female bar, other one is a male bar. So go to your output window. You can see name. Totally name is not repeated. A name totally all 19 observations are unique values. Now I am going to use the name as a my chart column. If I am executing name and just please execute this one, when I submitted, how many bars we can see it here? Anybody here? Totally 19 bars only. Okay, you can see the 19 bars. Alfred, Alice, you can see the frequency is only one only. Because we have all our unique values, so that's the reason we have printed 19 bars here. Now, next one is there. Okay, so here I will go for this one. When I submitted, you can see here, this is my bar only, but I want to see the exact my frequency values in edges of the bar. So this is my bar. I want to display the exact number, total number of values, female category and male category. That purpose we have to use options. Options always we have to use separated by slash, after slash, please use your option only. So if you want inside, then we have to inside. If you want outside, we have to use outside. So now I want to display the frequency count outside of the bar. Then we have to use outside is equal freak. Outside is equal to freak means I want to print the frequency count outside of the bar. When I submitting this one, we can see it in my output window. See this here, this is a 9, this is a 10, we have printed. We have printed outside. I use the outside is equal to freak. If you want inside is equal to, then we can use inside is equal to freak. When we use inside is equal to freak, we can display the frequency count inside of the bar only. Inside of the bar, that is okay. So here also same. If you want, now I am using inside is equal to freak only. Now when I am submitting this one, we can see it inside of the bar. You can see 1111 because each and every name is not repeated. All names are unique values here. This is our now as of now I use the numeric variables. No, character variables. Sex is a character variable. Even name also character variable. Now I am going to use the numeric variable. Go for age only. Age is there, height is there, weight is there. Now here height is age is 11 is there, 12 is there, 13 is there, next to 14 is there, again 15, next is 16. So 11 is the lowest stage value, 16 is the highest stage value, then 11 to 16 totally 6 groups are there. Now we can display the 6 bars, 11 wise 1 bar, 12 wise 1 bar, 13 wise 1 bar, like that only. So in my data set age, you can see the 11, one time is there, 11, two times is there. Now what is the frequency count for 11 age value? 2, because only 2 times repeated 11 age value. Then go for 12, one time is there, 2 time is there, 3 time is there, next 4, next 5. Totally you can see in my data set 12 age repeated 5 times only. So by default, as I said, when we use any variable in my chart procedure, we can see the frequency of that column. Okay, by default we can see the frequency only. Now here I am using age, semicolon, run and quit. Now if I am submitting this one, concentrate on output window, concentrate on your age value. There is no decimal value. All are integer value. Integer means without any decimal point. 11 is an integer value, 12 is an integer value. 11.5, 12.5 means that is a decimal point value. But we don't have any decimal point here. All are integer values only. Now, when I am submitting this one, proc gchat procedure, by default we can see the integer decimal point values only. See this here, 11.4, 12.5, 13.6, like that only. These are the, you can see here, age midpoint values only. Age midpoint value, which means when we use the numeric columns in my chart procedure, by default we can display the midpoint values. So you can see here 11.4, 12.6, 13.8, 15.0, 16.2. There is no 14 age value also here, because by default we can see the midpoint values of numeric column. I don't want the midpoint values, I need exact age values. Then we have to use / option. So discrete is a one option here. This discrete option is useful for only numeric columns. When we use the numeric variables in the chart procedure, we have to specify the discrete option also. Without using discrete, by default we can see the midpoint values. If I am using any other column, that other column related midpoint values only we can see it in our output window. To avoid that purpose, we have to use one extra option, that is a discrete only. Discrete option is useful for only numeric variables, not for character variable. Now I am submitting this one. When I submitted, you can see here, this is my value. We have printed 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So these are the 6 bars are there, because in my data set only 6 groups are there. Now you can see whatever chart column is there, chart column values we can display it ascending order. First one is 11, next 12, next 13, next 14, 15, 16. So a chart column wise we are displaying our bars in ascending order, not ascending. Values sir, we can see the one proper order only, but I want to see the bars. Bars I want to display the ascending order, bars only. Bars means which one is the highest, 12 is the highest. Which one is the lowest, 16 is the lowest only. So I want 16 is the first bar, next 11, next 13, next 14 and 15. I mean height wise, height of the bar wise. Then how can we display it, our bars in ascending order. So along with the discrete option, if you want to display your bars in the proper order, then we have to use here, our option is called ascending. If you want a descending, you can use the descending also, that is your wish. When I submitting this one, we can see it here. You can see here, first we have printed 16 only, that is the lowest, which means frequency is only 1, 16 is value. Only one time is there, 11, how many times repeated? So 2 times 11 is value is there. 30 is how many times here? 3 times. 14 and 15 you can see the 4 times only. Now I want to display the inside of the bar or outside of the bar. I want to display the frequency count again. Then we have to use here, outside is equal to outside is equal to, we can use the freak option. Freak is a one option. Yeah. Now I have used the freak option. Outside is equal to freak. When I am submitting this one, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. So 12 is a age that age value is repeated in my class 5 times only, then 12 age frequency is more. Which age frequency is a very less means 16 age frequency, because 16 age only one time is available. Only one time. You can see here one time. So conclusion point is, when we use the only one column in my chart procedure, by default we can display the frequency only, whether that is a numeric or character. By default we can see the frequency. I don't want a frequency, I need percentage only. Okay, by default frequency, but I need percentage. Percentage means, so in my class 16, 11, 13, 14, 15, 12 is there. So you can see the in my class which age frequency count is more means 12 age frequency count is a more. So that's the reason 12 age values percent is more in my class only. Which age value percentage is very less means 16 age percent is a very less, because 16 age only one time is there in my class, only 16 age, only unique value, there is no other repeated value. Automatically 16 age value, it will be occupied the less percentage only in my class. 12 age value, it will be occupied the more percentage, because 12 age value repeated 5 times only here. Okay, now instead of the frequency I need percentage only. This is important. Now how to change the statistic only. Statistic means frequency is a one statistic. I don't want frequency, I need percentage only. Then we have to use here type is equal to, type is a one option. By using type option, we can change the descriptive statistic. By default, the descriptive statistic is frequency. I don't want frequency, I need percentage. Then we have to use, instead of free, type is equal to percent. Now when I am submitting this one, we can see it in my output window. You can see 0, 10, 20, 30, totally 30. Now this is a percentage value. You can see here, this is a 10, 11 is percent. So highest percentage age value is again 12 only, because 12 repeated 5 times. Now here we are displaying the percentage. Instead of the frequency, I am displaying the percent only, because I use the type is equal to percent. By default the frequency. By using type option, we can change the descriptive statistics from frequency to percentage here. Now up to anybody, any doubt here, please let me know till now. No or yes?
Sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, the outside equals to frequency and పెట్టారు కదండి సార్. డైరెక్ట్ గా అక్కడే పర్సెంట్ అని పెట్టచ్చా సార్?
ఎక్కడండి? మీరు చెప్పండి, నాకు ఇన్సైడ్ పర్సెంటేజ్ కావాలి, అవుట్ సైడ్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ కావాలి. ఇప్పుడు ఎలా రాయాలని చెప్పండి. ఇన్సైడ్ ఐ వాంట్ టు డిస్ప్లే ది పర్సెంటేజ్ ఓన్లీ, అవుట్ సైడ్ ఐ వాంట్ టు డిస్ప్లే ది ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ ఓన్లీ. దెన్ ఓకే, మీ టు దట్. అవుట్ సైడ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఫ్రీక్, దెన్ ఇన్సైడ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు percent. That's all. Now when I am submitting this one, we can see it in my output window, but we are not displaying the percent values. Why? Go to log window. You can see one warning message in your log window. The VBAR chart is could not be labeled using inside is equal to, because the labels are wider than the bars only, which means, for example, this is my bar. Inside this bar, I am not inserting the percentage value. Why? Because my bar width size is, this is a width only. My bar width size is less than my percentage value. My percentage is a 12.36 percentage only. Now I am not able to inserting the 12.36 percentage inside this bar. Then how to insert my percentage value inside of this bar means, first increase your bar width size, because this width is not sufficient for our percentage value. Then increase your bar width first, later you have to include insert your percentage. Now here I am using width is equal to width. What is the purpose of width? By using width option, we can increase the bar width size. Here I am giving 6 only. Now when I am submitting this one, now you can see here inside of the bar we have printed percentage also. Outside of the bar, we have printed frequency. So here 12 edge value repeated 5 times only. So that's the reason 12 edge value percentage is a more in my class. 16 edge value percent, this is a 16 edge value. You can see here only one time is the frequency. So that's the reason 16 edge value occupied the less percentage only here. Okay, this is one more. Now you can see by default is, you can see here, this is a gray color. I don't want this color. I need green color. I need yellow color. I need red color. Then we have to use here pattern. Pattern is equal, pattern, okay, color is equal to, okay, options, pattern, color is equal to, I am giving green only, green. So let's try. Okay. Wait. Pattern spelling. Options is not required. Pattern color is equal to green. Pattern color is equal to green. Then green color is applicable for entire all bars only. So by default is a gray. But now you can see here, I use the green color only because I use the pattern is equal to green. I need yellow. Then we can use the yellow. So when I am submitting this one, we can see it in my output window. So see this here, each and every bar color is a yellow. If you want each and every bar wise one color, wait for tomorrow's class. I will show you in my tomorrow, not today. Okay. So 16 is I need yellow color, 11 is a green color, 13 is a red color, 14 is a again pink color, like that, something. So we'll go for that way in my tomorrow's class. Now this is our percentage value. You can see here text color. This is a text only. 20, 30, so on. So this is also text only. Even this is also text only. Even this percentage value is also text only. So by default text color is black color. I need blue color only. By default you can see the text color is a black color, but then we have to use here, wait, I am changing. First option is a discrete, ascending. Next one is a outside. The next one is a type is equal. Next one is a width is equal. Okay. Next one is a C inside is equal to. Next one is a here. What is the one next option? Color. Now C text. C text stands for the color text. I need blue color. By default is a black color. I need blue only. Okay, if you want instead of the blue some other color, you can use it, red or whatever. Now when I submit it, you can see it in your output window. Now we can see it here. All text color is a blue color. We have printed blue color here. So this is one more. Now you can see here, this is a outline of the bar color. This is outline. By default outline bar color is a black color. I don't want a black color. I need red color. Then how can we do that? So that purpose we have to use here C outline. What is the purpose of C outline? C outline is equal to, I am using red. I need outline color. I need red only. Then when I am submitting this one, you can see here, this is a outline is a red color. By default, previously we have seen black color. I don't want black, I need red. So that's the reason I use the C outline is equal to, I use the red only. If you want to increase this outline width, I want to increase my outline width only. Is that possible? Yes, it is possible only. That purpose we have to use W outline only. W outline means width outline. If anybody wants to increase the width size, okay, now here I am using W outline is equal to, I am giving 4. By default width size is a 1 only. If you want to, you can use 2, otherwise 3, otherwise 4, your wish. When I am submitting this one, you can see here, I have increased my width size. I use the 4 only. Now you can see here, this is a 1 bar, this is a 1 bar, this is a 1 bar. I want to increase the bar in between the space. By default, space is a 1 only. I want to increase the space in between the bars. Then we have to use here. I am using space is equal to 4. space is equal to 3 or 4, your wish only. Now when I submitting this one, you can see here previous one and below one, we have increased the space by using space option. This is a one more. Okay. Now you can see here, this is a frame actually. This is a one frame only. By default, frame is a white color. But I don't want white color. I need green color. Then how can we do that? So that purpose we have to use, okay, I need frame only. That purpose we have to use C frame is equal to, I am using which color? Green color. I want to apply my frame is a green color. When I am submitting this one, we can see it here. You can see here, this is a C frame. Totally we have filled the green color only. This is a one more. Okay. Now this is a green color here. So we can insert our image also. Instead of the color, I don't want to insert any color, but I want to insert my image in the background only. Is that possible? Yes, it is possible. That purpose we have to use, okay, instead of the C frame, okay, C frame is a one option. I don't want to use the C frame because I don't want to apply the color, but I need iframe. Iframe stands for image frame only, image frame. So this is I have commented. Don't use both at a time, C frame and iframe. You either use C frame or iframe only. That's only. Okay. Now here in my desktop, so I have one picture is there, JPG. Whatever, if you want, you can copy that one. So just copy your image. If your image is there in your desktop, your pic, please copy that image. So you can see here, this is a JPG format. Now I am submitting this one. When I am submitting, we'll see. That is a one flower here. You can see here. Now this is my image only. Okay. This is a one image here. You can use your image also in the background. So that is a one. Okay. This is. Now as of now, anybody any doubt, please let me know here. Clear or any doubt these options wise? Yes. Okay. So now I will go for next one here. As of now, you can use H bar. H bar is vertical means vertical, H bar means horizontally. That is you can try here while practicing. Now I am creating V bar. So as I said, V bar 3D also there. So see this here, when I submitted, you can see this is a V bar, just a vertical bar, but I need V bar 3D. So when I am submitting this one, we can see it here. This is a 3D chart actually. So this is a one shape here. Okay. If you want any shape, a square shape, a cylinder shape, rectangle shape, whatever shape this bar, so we can display that shape also. In my book, I have given all shapes only. While practicing, you can try. But in generally, whatever shape is there by default, we can use the same shape only. Okay. So if anybody wants to change the shape, bar shape, we can use that shape also, whatever shape. So now here, next one is here, I am using the pie chart only, pie. Okay. So what is mean by pie? Pie, you can see here, it looks like one round chart only. You can see here. So this is a one round chart. This is my pie chart only. So I use the discrete option also. Discrete is a one option. Without using discrete option, we can see the midpoint values only. I don't want midpoint values, so that's the reason I use which one? Yeah, this. Okay, this is a one more pie chart. Now I want to insert the values inside only. I want to insert my frequency values inside or age values inside. Now you can use here inside is equal to freq. Now when I am submitting this one, we can see it. So what happened? Here inside is equal to freq. Sometimes chart wise options also a bit vary here. Don't use the same option. So always same only, but freq is equal to value is equal to here. Value is equal to inside only. Let's try this one. When I am submitting this one, you can see here we have printed the values inside. So in my V bar chart, I use the inside is equal to freq, but inside option it won't work in pie chart. So instead of the inside, we have to use value is equal to inside only. Okay, value, don't use inside is equal to free. We have to use value is equal to inside. So next one is when I submitting this one, we can see it so and so. Now here series, this is a 11 age value. This is a 12 age value. This is a 13. I want to explode the 11 age values only. Then how can we do that? Explode. What is mean by explode? You can see here explode is equal to which age value I am exploding, the 11 age value. When we use the explode option, we can explode the 11 from my pie chart. When you can see looks like this only. So this is called exploded. Okay, whatever value, if you want to explode it, please mention that value explode is equal to 11. This explode option, it won't work in my V bar chart only, because V bar chart there is no explode option. Explode option, it works only in my pie chart only. Okay, this is in some scenarios I want to print my values in the bottom of the chart only with color representation, with the color. So that purpose we have to use here one more option. That option is called legend. Legend is a one option. Legend also, it works only in pie chart only, not any other chart. By using legend option, we can display the values in the bottom of the chart, includes color coding. So you can see here age, which color, 11 age value is a age only, 12 age value is a orange. Like that we can display it in the bottom of the chart only. So this is a pie chart. As of now I am using only single column, that is a age column. So next class I am going to use other columns also. One more class is required for G chart only. Day after tomorrow I will go for G plot. Tomorrow I will concentrate only G chart. Next I will concentrate on G plot. So Wednesday I will complete G SAS graph product. Okay, next one is so I will go for next chart here. Next chart is a donut chart only. Donut. What is mean by donut? Discrete option, it works for all chart here. V bar chart, H bar chart, pie chart, and all other charts also. When we use the numeric variables in chart. Now I am submitting donut. Donut is nothing but it is a extension of the pie chart only. It is a extension of the pie chart here. For example, I want to, why donut chart introduced means when I submitting this one. So we can see here, this is a donut chart only. So you can see in between one pole also there. So here I want to display the percentage only. Instead of the frequency, I want to display the percentage means. So you can see here, we can see the type is equal to, we can use the percent only. When I am submitting this one, we can see it here, we have printed the percentage value only. So anybody can see the total percentage value in this chart, or only individual percentage we are displaying? Anyone? Individual only, but we are not displaying the total percentage only. Okay, I want to see the total percentage also. So here also we can use here type is equal to percentage here. Type is equal to percentage only, discrete. Now when I am submitting this one, we can see it here. You can see here we have printed individual percentage only. But in the other class I will show you how to print the in this, whatever this in between one hole is there. So inside that hole we can display the total percentage of the entire my values. But this facility is not available in our pie chart. So that's the reason they introduced the donut chart only. Okay, by using donut chart, we can see the entire total percentage also instead of the individual percentage. Okay, this is one more. Next one is I don't want donut. Again, we can use the legend option, explode option. It works for even donut chart also, because donut chart is nothing but it is a extension of the pie chart only. Both are same. Extra we can see the one in between the one hole, that's only. Remaining things are same. Next one is instead of the donut chart, I need black, BLOCK, black only. So what is the black? Black is nothing but you can see the blacks wise only. 11 is a one black, 12 is a one black, 13 is a one black, like that only. When I am submitting, you can see here 11 is a one black, 12 is a one black, 13 is a, if you want ascending, you can use ascending option. in black chart also, because okay, that is over wish only. This is a black chart only, black. Okay, black space. Next one is I need star chart. Then we can use directly STAR, star only. It looks like star symbol here. When I submit it, you can see this is a star symbol only. If you want to insert the values inside of this star, you can use inside is equal to value like that only. Okay, this is also okay. This is a star chart only. Just I am changing my chart name. That's only. Remaining things are same. I need pie. This is a pie chart. Okay, this is the pie chart. I don't want pie chart. I need pie 3D. Then we can use here instead of the pie 3D. Now I am submitting this one. When I submit it, you can see this. This is a pie 3D chart only. 3D. Like I don't want a donut chart. I need donut 3D chart only. This is a donut chart. I don't want a donut chart. I need donut 3D. So you can use donut 3D. I am not sure donut 3D it's not working here. There is no that option. Only pi wise is there. Okay. So these are the charts are available here in my by using Proc G chart we can create. So in my today's class I use the only one column in my chart procedure. That is either age character column or numeric column only. If my values are repeated, then we can see the each and every value wise we can see the 1 bar. 11 wise 1 bar, 12 wise 1 bar. Like character variables, each and every value wise 1 bar only. Okay. So in my today's class, I use the under V bar statement. I use the only one numeric column or only one character column. But in my tomorrow's class, I will go for use 2, 3, 4 variables in my tomorrow's class. Then tomorrow is the last class for V bar. So in my tomorrow's class, when I am submitting this one, you can see here. When I am submitting V bar, otherwise this one, okay, you can see here, I don't want percentage here. Now I am removing this type is equal to percentage only. I have commented this one. By default, we can see the frequency now. Okay, frequency. When I submit it, you can see here frequency. Now you can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the major axis points only. You can see in between minor axis points also there. Major axis is there, minor axis also there. Instead of the 0 to 5, I need 0 to 10 only. 0 to 10 major axis points. Instead of the 0, 1, 2, I need 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Like that only. Which means I want to change the major axis points. I want to change the minor axis points. I don't want any minor axis points. We'll discuss in our tomorrow's class only. Okay, this is our today's class. Anybody, any doubt, just let me know. No doubt? Or doubts? Clear? Okay. Go for practice here. Okay. Now we'll meet tomorrow. Same. If you want, I will ping you this one. Wait. I don't know. So then go for practice and let me know tomorrow. Tomorrow I will add more options here. More and more options. Please practice. C outline is equal to red only. Next one is a W outline. Star chart, last one, run, and so on. So, okay, so this is our today's class here. We'll meet tomorrow.